Beneath this quiet Japanese neighborhood hides something unbelievable. A giant underground structure built to stop Tokyo from drowning.
Each pillar weighs 500 tons. There are 59 of them.
And during storms, this entire system comes alive. Those are jet aircraft engines pumping floodwater underground.
Tokyo is surrounded by more than 100 rivers. For decades, typhoons flooded entire neighborhoods overnight.
As Tokyo expanded, farmland disappeared beneath concrete.
Rainwater suddenly had nowhere left to go.
The city became a giant bathtub with no drain.
So in 1992, engineers designed an impossible solution.
A 4-mile tunnel system, 160 feet underground. Middle Eastern male workers dug massive shafts through unstable, waterlogged soil.
During earthquakes, the ground here behaves almost like liquid.
Even one pressure mistake could collapse streets above. Then engineers invented a revolutionary boltless tunnel joint. The surrounding earth locks it tighter every single day. Then came the heart of the entire system.
A chamber so huge it feels like an underground temple. The pumps are powered by modified jet aircraft engines.
Together, they move an Olympic pool every 3 seconds. At full power, the ground above actually shakes.
Then came Typhoon Hagibis in 2019.
The strongest storm Japan had seen in decades. For the first time, all 5 shafts activated together.
Jet engines screamed underground at maximum capacity.
Outside the protected zone, streets disappeared underwater.
Inside the zone, dry homes, dry roads, 0 deaths.
Millions live above this hidden world without ever knowing it exists.
What mega project should we explore next?